MQ-9 Reaper. How do you fight an enemy who never sleeps? What if the most powerful war machine doesn't need a pilot, a cockpit, or even rest? That's exactly what the General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper does. It stays in the sky for over a day, silently tracking, targeting, and striking with pinpoint accuracy. The MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Predator B, isn't just another drone. It's the backbone of modern aerial warfare. With a wingspan of 20 meters, 66 feet, and powered by a Honeywell turboprop engine producing about 900 shaft horsepower, it cruises at speeds up to 370 kilometers per hour, 230 miles per hour, and reaches altitudes of 15,240 meters, 50,000 feet. From that height, it can watch entire regions while staying completely out of sight. But its endurance is what makes it terrifyingly effective. This unmanned aircraft can stay airborne for more than 27 hours, giving it unmatched persistence in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Whether it's tracking targets, guiding ground forces, or delivering precision airstrikes, the Reaper never loses sight of its objective. It can carry up to 1,700 kilograms, 3,800 pounds, of weapons and sensors, including Hellfire missiles, DAMs, and laser-guided bombs. Its advanced sensor suite, with radar, infrared, and optical systems, can locate and eliminate threats in any weather, day or night. From Afghanistan to the Middle East, the MQ-9 has become a symbol of silent power, gathering intelligence, striking high-value targets, and supporting troops with near-perfect accuracy. Beyond warfare, it's also used for border patrol and even scientific observation. This isn't just a drone, it's a flying strategy, redefining how nations fight wars without risking pilots' lives. Call to action. Would you trust a drone to make split-second combat decisions? Let me know your thoughts. Is the MQ-9 Reaper the future of warfare, or a step too far in automation?